Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jobs with Subham. So today I'm going to provide a very good opportunity. So those who are looking for QA engineer job as an entry level, you can apply for this job. This is a very good opportunity. And अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. So let's go and start the video. So this is the page of Vera Solution and it's hiring for junior quality insurance engineer for Mumbai location, and the total CTC they will give for 18 lakhs. And let's talking about this job position overview. The junior quality insurance engineer will be part of the growing product and the team of critical role of maintaining quality control and ensuring that the product are ready to release customer. This will primarily involve working with the quality insurance manager to designing, implementing, and test debugging, defining corrective and actions, and all these things you have to know. And responsibility is that review requirement specification and functional design document and provide timely, meaningful feedback. Create detailed, comprehensive, and well structure of test plan and test case. Estimate, prioritize, plan, and coordinate with testing activity. Identify record document and the track bugs and perform through regression testing when bug is resolved. And all these things you have to know. And those who have a 1 or 3 year of experience of quality insurance engineer can apply. Hands-on experience of test plan and execution, familiarity with the test automation tool of framework like Selenium Robot, and knowledge of quality insurance methodology and standard, and all these things you have to know. And excellent written and verbal communication skill, and Salesforce platform exposure, proficiency of large programming language like Python, Java for automation, product company experience, and internal social impact sector, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for this job, so you have to just click here apply now, and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. Moving to the next job. Next job is coming from Danaher, and it's hiring for software engineer one for QA tester for Bangalore location. So let's talking about this. What are the roles and responsibilities? So working closely with the engineer to analyze new features requirement and break down high level features into the task and the timeline. Verify, validate, and ensure the traceability of all the work of the requirement to design all the way of through the test have communicated with the quality, analyze, design, and develop a reusable test plan and test case, participate in the agile scrum process, and all these things we have to know. And those who have done a bachelor degree of higher computer science or related field can apply. 0 to 3 year of experience of quality assurance testing, experience with RDBMS, proficiency with writing SQL queries and query database, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job, so you have to just click here apply now, and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. So in this video we have talked about two different job role, what is the job role and how to apply for the job. And if you are looking for QA engineer job as a entry level, so you can apply for the job. This is a very good opportunity. And अभी तक मैंने चैनल सब्सक्राइब तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. And if you have any question then ask me in the comment section, I will help you. So thanks for watching. Till then, goodbye. And